I got my new chair for my office. If you watched my last vlog sort of video where I talked about that, yeah, I got it all set up. I got a cute little rug, and I'm really happy with the result. It's very comfortable too. I broke my bird though. It was caught between an extension cord was running across my table and it tripped it up. So I need to get some glue and put his little crown back together, or her crown. And I still haven't got a flower pot yet for this plant. I kind of want something that's wicker, maybe like a wicker basket or something. I'm still kind of searching, but I did find my Scentsy downstairs, and so this is kind of like a green color. It's easier to see when the light's off, but it's really pretty. I'm just getting ready to head to the post office. I have an Etsy order to mail. I made some new stickers for my envelopes, so I redesigned my Please Don't Bend Me design on the front. And on the back, I have my Happy Mail, so I'm really happy with how these turned out. I think they're so cute. And I just want to say a quick thank you to Katie for your order. So I just got back from a trip to New York City. I've traveled a lot this month, and so I haven't been able to post any videos, but I'm just going to give a little preview of some of the things, or share some of the things that I bought when I was there. We did some fun stuff in New York though. We went for a book signing with Miranda Lambert, and she released a cookbook, so we got our cookbook signed, and it was so much fun to see her again. She's one of my favorite singers. I love her music, and so it was cool to see her. And we did a lot of shopping. I did a lot of shopping in New York. There was a Japanese bookstore I wanted to go to. I made sure to go to that. And we just had fun. I bought some birthday presents for some family members and some gifts. So I will show you some of the cool things that I bought. At the Japanese bookstore, I got these file folders, and they're like just plastic, but they have different levels to them here, and they're just sealed on the edge. So I thought this would be handy for tucking in weekly notes for work or whatever, because I always have papers all over my desk. I got one for my niece too. I got her this cat one. Pink is her favorite color, and it's got little cat footprints on the tabs, which I thought was really, really cute. And then I also got her this really sweet birthday card while I was there, because her birthday's coming up. So it's this cute little kitty card, and it's from Japan, which is cool. And it has space for a message on the inside, so I'm going to write something to her. I also picked up some Japanese books for my language study that I'm working on. These were recommended in a video I watched by Lindy Bodis. She is a polyglot, so she can speak multiple languages and studies a bunch of languages. And these were some books that she recommended. I found this one here. I found this book was really helpful, that I've at a glance. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get this one in N5, and I've tried online and they only have a French version. I'll just have to keep an eye out for that, but I'm sure there's lots to keep me busy here. I also picked up some Tamagotchis. They had these for $20 each, and they're both discontinued, and they're ones that were on my list that I wanted. So I started playing Tamagotchis during the pandemic, and so it's just something casual that I don't spend a lot of time with, but it's nice. I find, especially if I'm doing art, it gives me like a mental break. So I'll just take 3 minutes and check on it and feed it and play a quick mini game, and yeah. And I think it's fun to see what characters I get to. I have a bunch of different versions, but I usually like to do one when I travel, like one of these basic black and white ones, because they're pretty easy to take care of. So I did get this connection in the mail, so this is the one I've been taking care of. I took this to New York City with me, and yeah, I took it to Central Park as well. So I'm surprised he didn't die though, because we were pretty busy and I didn't have a lot of time to check on him. But I played with them a bunch on the train. I also got a case for my Apple Pencil. I haven't really ever wanted one. We went to this store called Line Friends, and I vaguely know what Line Friends is. I know it's like a cartoon or something, and I think it's on Netflix, because I think when we went in, that was the store that had a big Netflix sign and a bear. But I thought this little horse head was cute, and it kind of looks like a pencil. So I got this for my Apple Pencil. So now that I'm back, I have a whole bunch of things to catch up on. We have a craft show coming up, my sister and I. I've been working on making some of these coasters. I have to weave in all the ends. I have 18 planned and started, and I just got to finish the edging and then weave in all the ends for Sunday. Today's Thursday, so time's ticking. I tried so hard to get everything done before I went away, but there is still just a few things that I need to catch up on, and then we should be good. Oh, this I got from my sister, this cute little corn. So this is by Jellycat. Oh, I'll show you what else I got for myself. This is Jellycat as well. I got this cute little blue jay. I've seen these online. I've seen people have them, and I looked them up one time, and the shipping was really expensive. I never thought I'd actually find them in a store, but we found them at FAO Schwartz. So I got the corn for my sister because she was really obsessed with the TikTok video that went viral last year with the kid singing the corn song that he likes corn.
It's cold! It has to do!
She was obsessed with it. It was pretty funny. So I got her this little corn. I almost forgot, I did an order before I left from Baylee Jae. She released a shop update, and so I'm going to show you what I got from her shop. This is exciting. Baylee Jae's an artist on YouTube. I've mentioned her a few times, but I like following her, and it's fun just to see what other artists do, and she does art full time, so it's fun to see what her day involves. So she had a shop update. The free little ducky stickers are so cute. I'm gonna try and save the bunny sticker. I think I'm just gonna rip this. Maybe I can put it on a sketchbook or something. So I got some washi tape that she has. This one's male cat, and I've wanted this for a while. I didn't realize it was still available, but I thought it would be cute to use on my Etsy shop orders. And then I got the newest washi tape that she made, and it's got little duckies on it. I got a bun sticker set. Oh, that's cute. Oh my goodness, these are so sweet. I love how bright the orange is too, and the colors, like they're just really saturated. They look so good. I got a notepad. There was a bundle she had with the new ducky theme, and I missed out on it because I was in Vegas when the shop update released. So I pretty much ordered most of the things that were in the bundle anyways, but I got a notepad. And then I ordered these stickers, Thick or Treat, and they got little black cats and little mice and I guess snakes, but I don't like snakes, so I'm gonna call them worms, and pumpkins and candies. And then the newest stickers are these little ducky stickers. They're so cute. And then my favorite part are these planner pads, and I use one of these every week. At the start of my week, I have her other planner pad version that has flowers around the edge, and it's almost done. So I ordered 2 of these, and she made a bigger size this time, so they're full 8.5 by 11. I'm not sure if I'll like that size as much. Right now the current ones are squares, so they're just a nice size, but I will have more room to write, so I'll be using one of these next week. I'm very excited. So today's National Caesar Day in Canada, and if you don't know, a Caesar is kind of like a Bloody Mary in the States, but it's made with clamato juice, like clam juice, which is really gross when you think about it, but I didn't know at the time that I first had one, and they're actually really good. So I want to paint something just to commemorate this day. I love Caesars, they are my favorite. And so I found this picture online that I kind of like, but I wanted to alter it because I wanted it to be more like what kind of Caesar I would drink. So I added this little pickle, like kind of here. So normally this picture has olives, and actually I love olives, but I've never had olives in my Caesar or put them in. So I just kind of added this little pickle for the drawing. So I think it's coming along pretty well. I haven't drawn in over a month. Actually, this says March 28th, and today is May 18th. That's a long time. I was so nervous to make my first mark on this page, but I think it's turning out okay. I haven't forgot how to paint, so that's cool. So I finished this up while I watched the Etsy Up event that I signed up for a few weeks ago. They're doing a big marketing push right now to educate content creators or creators on their platform. So some interesting stuff there. But here's a look at my finished Caesar. This is exciting. I'm going to make this a sticker available in my shop, linked below. So this is how I make my stickers for my shop. I take a picture, bring it into Procreate on my iPad, and just erase all of the watercolor paper around it. So I'm hoping to get this sticker up in my shop today just because it's National Caesar Day. So I thought it would be nice to do it on the same day. I gotta go cook supper, and then I'm gonna work a little bit more at this and hopefully get just a couple stickers printed. And yeah, I'm excited to make these real because I think I want one myself. I made a Caesar. Yum. So this is just a homebrew Caesar, but the things I like to put in my Caesar is Worcestershire sauce, dill pickle juice, and sometimes dill pickles, and horseradish, Frank's Red Hot buffalo sauce. Sometimes I like to put pickled beans too. This is just a basic Caesar, like a homebrew Caesar. Normally you'd brim the glass and you'd have salt along the edge. I just pour the salt on top. And of course, Clamato juice. There would be Clamato juice. So I just did a print out of some different sizes, and I'm really liking the 3 1/4. I want to make sure that it's big enough to be a good size, but kind of fits on a cell phone as well. So I want to make sure it's not too wide, because I've had comments of people before buying stickers from my shop and that they fit nice on a cell phone. So I never thought of that before, but I always consider that now when I make stickers. And I'm just going to print a couple up. I've got all my stickers cut out now and taken off the Cricut mat. I sell these in sets of 2. If you're interested, check out the link below to visit my shop. I've got 6 ready for this, well, in this batch, I guess. Cute. I like the way the ice cubes turned out because it actually looks like the ice is in the glass. I don't normally lift watercolor when I paint. I just hate doing that, but I had to do it for this for that effect, and it actually works, so I'm really happy with it. So I'm going to end this video here. I just wanted to kind of give an update. I didn't really have anything to film, and I haven't painted in like a month and a half because I've been traveling, and I'm actually going away this weekend for the long weekend, and I have a trip coming up to visit my sister also. But I'm hoping to get back into painting and stuff. I have so many ideas, and I've been working on other work. Like my sister and I have a t-shirt or a shirt business that we make designs and print, and we've had some craft shows, and I've been doing some freelance on the side doing graphic design. So hopefully I can get back to my painting because I do miss it. I totally fell off the rails for the 100-day challenge. I think I did 5, but that's okay. I'm going to keep working at it. Or maybe I'll just join next year. I don't know. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this little sneak peek of things I've done and where I've been and what I'm working on. And I will see you in the next video. Check out my Instagram in the meantime for anything I paint. I post there, so I will share my adventures. Thank you for watching.